India stands at the edge of a quantum revolution. And to lead this change, we need a quantum-ready workforce. That's why QNu Labs created QNu Academy to democratize quantum education and to ensure India's proactive leadership in this field. Backed by National Quantum Mission and trusted by Indian Armed Forces, public and private enterprises, QNu Labs powered QNu Academy equips academic institutes, faculty, students, and professionals with industry-relevant knowledge, hands-on quantum labs, assignments, and a state-of-the-art curriculum. Our program includes certified faculty development, skilling youth, students, and professionals with assignments, and turnkey quantum labs, helping universities transform their research output and to position themselves as the global leaders in the quantum education. The graduates from our partner institutes secure roles in defense, enterprises, and research labs, contributing to the India's quantum vision and in developing India and making India a developed nation by 2047. Future is quantum. Come and join QNu Academy. Thank you.